Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Well, as I mentioned earlier, 76-degree temperature, 76-degree dew point, 76-degree heat index. So all the numbers coming together, and it spells 100% relative humidity. It's sticky out there. The air is thick. The humidity is returned. And we are looking for a heat index today that will reflect that. As we head into the noontime hour, temperatures will climb to near 80, and we'll be talking about a feels like of 100 to 105. As we head into the 3 p.m. time period, I think we may see about a 10% chance of a shower or two building in inland areas first, and then kind of drifting back to the coastline with about a 20 to 30% coverage a little bit later in the evening as those showers kind of drift closer to the coast. Just like they did yesterday, we had a line of showers build and then gradually drift into the coastline where they are now. We even have a thunderstorm in progress off the coast of Pinellas County. It's kind of dissipating out. Also have one down around the Venice area, out in Gulf waters about 50 miles or so. It's in the process, too, of falling apart. Chris continues to lift away from the United States. As it does that, all that dry air that was pushed southward into the state of Florida, that stops because Chris is no longer close enough to make that effective. Dry air currently, we don't have much going on in terms of any rain showers for you this morning in the morning commute. Chris, still a formidable hurricane. I mean, it's got a nicely defined eye, but as it lifts northward, it is starting to pick up forward speed. It is moving at about 20 miles an hour. And down to the south, the remnant of Beryl is also continuing to be monitored. Not much here that gives us too terribly much concern either. If it does lift north, it'll move back out into the open waters of the Atlantic. A little trough of low pressure enhances rainfall chances for South Florida. High builds in, brings us a westerly wind with better weekend rain chances. A few evening showers today under mostly sunny skies. If you're headed to the beach with those sunny skies, there's some red tide around. We have some low amounts of red tide being reported by Mote Marine observers at Lido Key, Venice, and Gasparilla. It's come down in Gasparilla significantly, actually, and of course these numbers change as we head into the afternoon. Mote Marine will be issuing new updates coming in at around 10, 11 o'clock this morning. The southwest wind switches to the west at about 10 knots this afternoon. And the forecast looks like this: 20% chance of showers today and tomorrow, 92. The high heat indexes above 100. As we head into Friday, a little extra moisture around in Saturday as well enhances rainfall chances to 30 or 40%, and that's true on Sunday as well. And then next work week, we'll look at about a 40 to 50% chance of afternoon showers, typical for this time of year.